Hello everyone and happy March. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 fun springtime crafts that are perfect for doing with your toddler. So for today's video, I have my 3-year-old son Jake, as well as my adorable 4-year-old niece Grace, and they are going to be showing you how to make these 3 fun springtime crafts. So for the first craft, we are going to be making these adorable, bright and colorful sun catchers. And everything you'll need are some blank CDs. And if you are feeling brave, you can use some glitter. And then to decorate them, you will want some jewels. Mine were self-sticking, so it made it really easy for the kids to apply. And then you'll just want any kind of string or ribbon to hang it when you are done. And then the glue you will need if you are going to be using the glitter. So to begin, I just had the kids stick the jewels all over both sides of the blank CDs. And then since I was feeling particularly brave on this day, I let them cover the CD with glue and then shake on some glitter to give it some extra sparkle. Next, we are going to be making these pretty and vibrant rainbows. So for this, I just did a Google search for a rainbow printable, and then I just printed those off. You will need some cotton balls to make the clouds, some glue, of course, to apply everything, and then a box of Fruit Loops. So for this craft, it's really easy to customize how much help that your child needs. So for example, my son Jake is a little bit younger, so I found it was easier to give him one color at a time to apply, whereas my niece Grace is a little bit older, so I was able to give her all her Fruit Loops at once and she was able to apply them in the proper order. After your Fruit Loops are applied, you just want to glue on your cotton balls to make your clouds at the bottom, and you are all done and you have a beautiful rainbow to display. So our next craft is going to be these cute little bunny paintings. So for this, again, I just did a Google search for a bunny image, cut it out, and I would suggest cutting it out on a thicker, like a cardstock paper, rather than this regular printer paper. You will need some paint, any kind you want. You could use paintbrush, you could use finger painting. You will need some tape to apply your bunny, and then some cotton balls for the tail. So since I already had the cotton balls out, I thought it would be fun for the kids to use them to apply the paint. So that is what they are doing here, just dabbing the cotton balls in the paint and then applying it all over the paper, and then the bunny is actually taped in the middle of the paper so that that's what makes the bunny outline. So when your kids are all done painting, you just want to let it dry, and then you want to glue on the cotton ball to make the bunny's tail, and you have an adorable bunny picture that is perfect for an Easter decoration. So that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and that you'll give these crafts a try. Let me know in the comments down below if you do, and if your kids enjoyed them. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!